it is the 6th of July 2021. Here's Vaakonraitti 8, and the only stick is the residential building here in Haapalinna. Tampere, Tammefors, Pirkanmaa, Finland. This is one of the suburbs. There are 6 floors here, and it was built in 1996, probably late 1996, because the building 6 was finished in 1997, and 1997 was built there. The serial number is 1 in the 1886, the capacity is 4 per so 25 rooms. Turning 25 years old this year in 2021. Will be expected in next year in 2022. Sadly, it's been scratched here. It's not nice when they scratch.
Yeah.
But it's still original.
Yeah.
This one is green here.
Yeah. Inspektiert ett par kilometer med ett par kvar.